gonna let vinegar go in with it. So I'm gonna go through 2 or 3 generous tablespoons of capers, and then I don't have large ones. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go about sort of little mini cornichons, I suppose. Lots of them. Okay, a couple of them. I'm just going to chop them up, just makes it easy to blend. Okay, and whilst doing that, we're still always going to check on that fish. Okay, so as you can see, that's cooking along nicely. But we're going to keep turning it ever so gently, just to make sure that it cooks all the way around. That's beautiful, that's cooking along nicely. Back to the tartar sauce. So we've got vinegar in there. You could put lemon juice. I want to put a little squeeze, but there is already some vinegar from the capers and the gherkins. So the thing is, it's about 4 or 5 tablespoons, maybe more, maybe 6 of mayonnaise. I'm going to go back to that if I'm not happy with the consistency. And of course, because I bought lemons in, I mean, you could put a little squeeze of lemon juice. That's fine, a little squeeze of lemon juice. But we do actually have proper lemons. So, oh, I'm using a really blunt knife. And all I'm going to do, and the reason I'm cupping my hand underneath is to ensure that those little pips don't come anywhere near my sauce. There you go, that's done. Now, I'm not going to put salt in that. I'm going to put salt in that because you've got those capers in there. Capers are extremely salty. What I couldn't get hold of was dill, but that's fine, because what we can do, okay, is we can just put a generous helping of parsley. I'm not even going to chop that up because that is going to get chopped up. The parsley into the dill is a perfect substitute. Now, I'm embarrassed by my mini blender. It looks like you wouldn't even buy it in a charity shop, even if you were struggling. So over in the distance, I'm just going to very quickly here is the parsley refusing to chop. Right, there we go. There's our delicious sauce. I mean, obviously I'm going to put it in a little bowl now. Oh, that's really, really nice. Really nice. Just right balance. In fact, just lacking a bit of tart. So I'm gonna just put a bit more vinegar in it. There we go. Faceless chef. Easy, lovely tartar sauce. Please forgive me, I've got to do my usual quick, no time. For the gram, as they say. So I'll do that and I'll come back to you in a second. So whilst I've been doing all that imagery, if we switch up here, you can see now that fish, oh God. If I can get a focus working, and I'm not, because I think there's too much going on. Let's zoom out. There you are, that beautiful, you can see that beautiful golden crisp now. We're about 10 minutes, that's fine. We can turn it one more time. So as I said, whilst this is cooking, we've got a little oven on preheat. Okay. And that's coming on absolutely beautifully well. You can see that, look at that crisp golden batter. So a batter does take about 10 minutes to fry. It's got a batter on there. So I'll leave it 10 minutes. What we'll do 2 more. That's absolutely bang on. They'll take about 10 minutes to fry. Obviously you can, you know, do the cut check on one if you really want to check. 10 minutes, and then we're going to leave them to dry out on this so they don't go soggy. Got a bit ahead of myself there. Did you spot what I missed? Because I did. I missed. Some of the delicious tartar sauce. And now we have a delicious, cheap, easy fish and chips. But I'm not going to repeat myself. You heard me before. Please leave a comment below. See you next episode. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.